How to retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. The first thing you want to do is launch open Temu app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to get your purchase history, you can simply tap on the search bar over here, and here you will have all of your browsing history. To get your browsing history, you can also tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Then you want to tap on the browsing history option over here. Now from here you can view all of your browsing history. Next thing you can do is tap on the your orders option. Here, the list of all of your purchase will be given on the All Orders section. Now, on the All Orders section, you will receive all. Now, on the All Orders section, you will get all of the history of your purchase. You can also tap on the Delivered option to see all of the items that you have purchased and that has been delivered to you. So, this is another way on how you can see your purchase history. Another way is that if you have reviewed the item that you have purchased, you can also tap on the Your Reviews option, and from here you can check out your purchase history as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.